Hi, I'm the CEO of a growing SaaS company. Let me show you in 3 minutes how I use Functionally to design new teams and restructure my org. First, I'll publish my existing org as a master scenario, then make a duplicate of that scenario with exactly the same structure and people so I can play around with it without breaking my original. So here's the new duplicated scenario. I want to add a new team, a customer success team. We need to start looking after our growing customer base. So it's time to allocate some accountabilities to my new customer success team. I browse through the functional library and I see account management with red dots, indicating this function isn't done by anybody within our organization. So I add that function and accountabilities to customer success. Now it's time to add some jobs to the team, the roles which will actually own and execute the responsibilities of the team. Browsing through the job library, let's see, I think we need a head of customer success and 2 customer success managers. That's what we need to begin with. Now that we have the roles in place, let's decide which role is going to own which accountability. Account management strategy, that sounds like it sits with our head of customer success. Account relationship management, that sounds like a job of a customer success manager. Oh yes, I would like to add this to all customer success manager jobs. And I'll do the same with this. And finally, let's add quarterly business reviews. And you can see they've been added to both jobs in the list. I can even go a level deeper and indicate the exact responsibilities that each role will perform. Now my roles and responsibilities are worked out, it's time to find the best people to put in the roles. I've got Rosemary earmarked to head up our customer success team. And I've also pulled Archie and Samir out of our support team, and I'm going to allocate them as customer success managers. Now heading back to the functions tab, the red indicators show me that some accountabilities haven't been allocated to roles. Account management operations and account product feedback aren't being done by anybody in the team. So I'm going to add a customer success ops role. Now it's not in the job template library, so I simply add a new template to the library. And now I'll drag that new job over to my team, and now I can start assigning the accountabilities. I'm adding these accountabilities and assigning the responsibilities to essentially a vacant position that I need to fill. I really hate creating job descriptions, but I'm going to need to put this out on LinkedIn to find somebody to do the role. But the great news is, because I've already done all the hard work using Functionally's built-in function library, this one customized for SaaS companies, I can simply export the job description directly from Functionally. I can add extra criteria here if I need to, and I can save and export as a Word document. Ready to upload to LinkedIn, send on email to prospects, or cut and paste to any other online system. So let's get back to the new version of my org. There's the customer success team looking great, but it's still not quite right. I want customer support to report into customer success, which is easy as dragging and dropping. And finally, I add Rosemary as the manager, and I'm done.